Hi, family. So today's topic, are you getting caught in the trap of getting ready to get ready? And what I mean by that is, many times as humans, we feel like we need to be the expert at things before we actually go out and experiment and experience them. Or even worse, we feel like we have to know everything before we're going to let it sink in and actually believe that it can work for us. Now, should we learn? Of course we should learn. Should we read manuals and books and have coaches? Of course we should. Should we take courses? Yes, absolutely. We should always be looking for ways to learn and grow and expand from the knowledge that others have gone before us, have maybe picked up sooner than we have. And there's a ton of information out there. Should we take action? And by action, sometimes I think people misunderstand what I mean by action. Action means that if you're just sitting around with a desire and don't do anything about it, that's just a wish. But how do we get our desires in alignment with what we want? Well, we do that through, first of all, learning what that means. How do we do that? By meditation, by reading, by courses and seminars and coaches and all those things. That's the action I'm talking about, is taking action into your growth. I'm trying to think that you should go out and work 70 to 80 hours a week to go accomplish what you desire. Of course not. That's unnecessary. But what is necessary is that we take the time to invest in ourselves what we want to see expressed in our outward world. Okay, so a lot of times people are at A, and people are trying to insist that they need to do this at a level of Z. Well, guess what? There's a whole alphabet in the middle there. You got to take the steps to get to that point where you're at a Z level. So, of course, that's the action I'm speaking of. Take that action. Learn that alphabet. Learn the laws of attraction. Learn the spiritual laws. And then practice them. You wouldn't play golf after you studied for 10 years and watched 100 videos and read 20 books and worked with a coach for 6 years and then go out and try to play the game with your friends and try to have fun. Of course not. You go out, you have fun, you experience it, you realize that you have some challenges, some areas that you need to build some strength in. You get the help that you need to do that, and then you go back out and wow your friends with how good you've become in between the last time you played with them. So experience things. Don't get stuck in the habit of getting ready to get ready, because all you're doing then is putting off until tomorrow the rewards which you can have today. So with that, if we are not friends on Facebook already, send me a friend request. I accept them all. And if we are friends and this message resonated with you and you think others could benefit from it, then share it, because the stuff we pass around does make a difference. Pass around good stuff. So with that, 3 things, you know what they are. I love you. I love you. And I love you. Every one of you. Even those that don't love me. Anyway, take care. Have an incredibly blessed day.